Hello guys, welcome to my channel. HP Victor 15 Bluetooth is not working, so how to fix? So first click to start and type services, then right click to run as administrator, then find out the Bluetooth. Press B. Okay, so Bluetooth support service. So it's double click to open it. Stop. Yes. And then select the automatic. Click to start. And then apply and then click to OK. Then once again select the Bluetooth support service and then left hand side restart options there. So click to restart it. It is mandatory. It been working. Okay. And automatic. And then close it. Then second restart the check the device manager and restart the driver. Click to start and type device manager in the search box to type device manager and then open it. And then find out Bluetooth. So this is the Bluetooth. Okay, select first Bluetooth wireless. This is actual. Okay, so sometime Bluetooth and click to uninstall driver. Click to uninstall it. Now it is uninstalling, and after when it is completed, after that we can see Bluetooth is removed from your device manager. Then click to action and then click to scan hardware changes. So it will come back again, you can see. Okay, then close it. Next step, install the latest HP driver. Okay, Bluetooth driver. So open any browser, Google search box to type HP this and driver, and after that first link which is official website, and guys only driver download from the official website only. Okay, then scroll down and select your operating system Windows 11 and then click to submit here and scroll down, then find out uh, network driver network extract. Then you can see Intel Bluetooth driver on. Guys, try to download always latest driver. Okay, so and then click to download. After that it will start the downloading in the download box, and when it is completed, click to open. After that it will come the installations process. Let's try to install. Okay, click to next. You can see I will show you the Bluetooth Intel driver. Okay, on all they are in this is version, and this is in okay all. Then click to next, accept next. Okay, this is save folder. Do not change this, is it will detect automatically. Then next, now it is installing, successfully installed. Intel Bluetooth driver is successfully installed. Then guys finish it. This is your driver installation is completed. But guys, it's one more step is very pending, but this is so important for your system. Click to start, type cmd. This is for the Windows command. Okay, and it will detect any issues in your system related to it, so it will recover automatically. Click to run as an administrator, sfc space slash scan now, and then hit enter. So after that it will start the percentage, and when it is completed 100%, then 100% restart your system. Okay, and then check your issue related your Bluetooth. Okay, so if it is resolved, so please comment me so it is completed, and if not, so also comment. I will create another video if your issue is not resolved. Okay, okay, yeah, thank you so much